WPOS. And third is the security and privacy, authenticity and confidentiality. Okay, these all is the aspects and used by the blockchain. Types of blockchain. Types of blockchain maybe three types of blockchain are used. First is a public blockchain, second is a private blockchain, and third is a consortium or federated blockchain. Means public blockchain means that all person all person use this blockchain means all is a like minor, and private blockchain means that specific organization use the blockchain concept. This is known as private blockchain, and this is a permissionless. And a public blockchain is a permissionless. Anybody want to use the concept of a blockchain, and private blockchain is a permission. Okay, and federated consortium blockchain means that it follow the both property like public blockchain and private blockchain. Okay, and this is also a permission and permissionless. Okay, example is like public blockchain example is a Bitcoin and Ethereum, and private blockchain is an example of Hyperledger and other type of like Bitcoin, Ethereum. Okay, and third is this is an example of Quorum and Corda. Okay, this is the main three types of blockchain are used. Okay, public, private, and federated. Main functionality of blockchain means a certified transactions, like validate the transactions. Okay, and it consists of a pointers, and every pointer has a hash values, and any unwanted user did not get the information of the transaction. Okay, these are the main function. Means validation and verification is compulsory in the use of blockchain. This is a very important slide, like blockchain and Bitcoin. Some persons know that blockchain and Bitcoin is same, but according to condition, blockchain and Bitcoin is not same, because that Bitcoin is specific. Bitcoin is a digital currency, like this is a cryptocurrency. Okay, and blockchain is a specific technology, and it use types of ledger, and it use specific Bitcoin. Means Bitcoin concept used in the blockchain. Okay, so Bitcoin and blockchain is different. Next is the artificial intelligence. Already knows that artificial intelligence, simulation of human intelligence by the machine, is known as artificial intelligence. Means that जिस तरीके से आपका ह्यूमन वर्क करता है, उस तरीके से आपका मशीन लीडर लाइक रोबोट. ओके, लाइक रोबोट जिस तरह से ह्यूमन वर्क करता है, उस तरह रोबोट भी वर्क करता है. लेकिन रोबोट के अंदर क्या होता है कि प्रोग्रामिंग होती है, वो भी आपके किसी के कंप्यूटर सिस्टम के थ्रू प्रोग्रामिंग होती है. दिस इज नोन एज आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस. ओके, it has a various functions like self prediction, self correction, self management, lot of type of functionality. Okay, machine learning and deep learning is a subset of the artificial intelligence. So actually machine learning and deep learning is a part of artificial intelligence, and according to the condition is that machine learning and deep learning is a subset of AI, and it provides the automation for a smart city application. Okay, so this is the concept of artificial intelligence. This is a slide. In this slide, we are providing that these are the all layers, like same, like physical layer, communication layer, link control layer. These are all layers. Next, this is a functionality, and this is a convergence, like blockchain and AI used in the smart city or IoT. And these are the methods. Like example that data blocks in Merkle tree and Bitcoin Ethereum used in the chain structure, and chain structure is a part of physical device. Okay, physical layer. And second is the authentication and verification. Authentication and verification means that the encryption, point-to-point network. Okay, these all used in the communication layer. Third is the decentralized and distribution. So already knows that blockchain provides a decentralized and distribution network. So all proof of work, proof of statement, proof of authority, all consensus algorithms used for the decentralization and distribution, and it is related to the link control layer. Next is the distributed cloud storage. Distributed cloud storage means that save the information with the help of the intelligent storage, micro server, smart contract, and it is a part of the service layer. Means that the service layer provides the distributed cloud storage. Means the database provided by the service layer. Next is the digital identity. Digital identity means the hash function and scripting code. Scripting code is used in the Python language, and it is a part of the management layer. And last is analytic intelligence. Analytic intelligence is a part of the artificial intelligence, and it is a part of the deep learning, machine learning, machine learning. So, and it is a part of the application layer or cloud layer. And this is the first part. Next part is the application services for a smart city with blockchain and AI. So in this part, already know that blockchain and artificial intelligence used in the lot of smart city applications like smart automotive industry, smart manufacturing, smart healthcare, smart transportation, smart vehicles, smart power grid. These all is a smart city application, and in all applications we are using the concept of blockchain and artificial intelligence. Okay, one by one we are we are using the smart city application and show the what is the how's the use blockchain and AI in the smart city application. Okay, first is that this is a very important slide. Application of blockchain in smart automotive industry. Okay, already know that automotive industry. What is automotive industry? Automotive industry have mainly seven parts like regulator, manufacturer, dealer, leasing company. Like this is a user. This is a scrap merchant, and all parts have a some specific functionality. Like regulator functionality have like create a registration of new vehicles. Next is a manufacturer. Manufacturer provide the like what is the model of the vehicle, what is the vehicle ID. This is provided by the manufacturer. Next dealer. Dealer is a provide the available stock. Stock is available or not. This is provided by the dealer. As a leasing company, leasing company means it provide the vehicles to the user. Okay, and user also have a, some functionality like example, I am a user. So I already when I purchase a new vehicle, so my functionality is insurance and maintenance services, dynamic real data, or payment. Payment is very important for user. And a scrap merchant means the final like after completing the 15 years or 10 years, this is a scrap vehicle. So all have some functionality, but with the use of blockchain, how the concept blockchain used in the automotive industry. So like phase one. In phase one, according to regulator, create a registration for the new vehicle. If this is satisfied, so build a new block, and this new block like follow the property of a smart contract. If if condition is true, so initiate the transaction for new block. Otherwise, this is abort condition. Generate the abort condition. Okay. After transfer ownership to the vehicle manufacturer, and manufacturer provide the what is the model of vehicle, what is the vehicle ID, then generate a new block, and again follow the property of smart. What is smart contract? Smart contract is like rule and regulation for purchasing the smart purchasing the any vehicle. Okay, if condition is satisfied, so initiate the transition for new block. Otherwise, then it a abort condition. So this is the process for phase two. Next is a phase three. Phase three also have a like dealer. Dealer active new issue the smart contract and certify the condition. If certify the condition, so then forward the transition of the new block. Otherwise, condition delete abort. Okay. Again, of block smart manufacturing. Okay, we have a button. You have it is not a identification to the smart manufacturing UP. Okay, and all parts you manufacturing sound
kalian kalian
scrap sound.
muncul kayak mati
दूसरा
साउंड
साउंड,
खाना नहीं आया।
हेलो, ओके, हाँ तो लाइक